To use a Visa gift card on Doordash, start by opening the Doordash app or website and selecting the food you want to order. Once you have added your desired items to the cart, proceed to the checkout page. On the checkout page, you will see a section that says Payment Method. Click on the Add Payment Method button and select credit or debit card as your payment option. Enter the Visa gift card information in the required fields, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. The card number is the 16-digit number on the front of the card. The expiration date is the month and year the card expires, and the security code is the 3-digit number on the back of the card. After entering the Visa gift card information, click the Add Card button to save the card to your Doordash account. You can then select the Visa gift card as your payment method and complete the checkout process. If the Visa gift card balance is less than the total cost of the order, you will be prompted to add an additional payment method to cover the remaining balance. It is also important to note that some Visa gift cards may have restrictions or limitations on their use, so make sure to check the terms and conditions of your card before using it on Doordash. Additionally, if you encounter any issues while trying to use your Visa gift card on Doordash, you can contact Doordash customer support for assistance. To avoid any potential issues, make sure to register your Visa gift card and verify the card balance before using it on Doordash. You can do this by visiting the website of the card issuer or by calling the customer support number on the back of the card. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully use your Visa gift card on Doordash and enjoy your favorite food delivered right to your door.